Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us and sharing your inspiring speeches in our competition. We're so thrilled to have determined such talent and dedication. Keep practicing and challenging yourself to grow even further. We wish you all the best in your journey ahead and keep up the great work.
Good morning, judges. So, before I start, I'd like to ask you all one small question. What do you know about the current condition of our Earth? Well, you might be thinking of things such as global warming, pollution, or climate change. That's a great start, but I'd like to dig deeper into that conversation. So, I, Sarah from Unity School, would like to talk to you all about our environment. Okay, back to that original question. What do you know about the current condition of our Earth? Well, our Earth is currently going through drastic change because of climate change due to things like littering, greenhouse emissions, and the exploitation of natural resources. And there's a lot more, but I won't get into specifics. And the ones I've already mentioned are only some of the examples of things that humans have done or created for our own convenience without even thinking about the impact. So, my dear audience, that small gum wrapper thrown onto the street you might think won't hurt or won't do much actually does, because it contributes to the 12 million tons of trash being thrown into the ocean every single year. 12 million tons. This doesn't only affect sea creatures, this also affects land animals, including us humans, who use not only the ocean as a primary source of water, but also sources of water connected to the ocean, such as rivers and lakes. There's real evidence of this, as research I've done from Wikipedia says that there's a very significant amount of microplastics found in the ocean. Now I want you to think about what number that could possibly be for a second. Got a number? Great. Well, the answer is that there are 171 trillion microplastic particles in the ocean currently. 171 trillion, with only about a small number of 3% of the Earth's waters actually being fresh. But why does this have to be such a taboo topic? Why does this have to feel so uncomfortable to talk about if we're aware of this and if we know that it's affecting us? This won't only apply to us now, but this will also apply to the future generations and the future kids that are going to have to take on our responsibilities way back in the past if we don't do anything about it now. I'm not trying to scare you all. I'm not saying that, oh, we're all gonna die. But this is the truth. This is our reality. And if we want to make a change, we have to do something. We have to take action. Even if it's just a little bit of even if it's just a small action or a small thing. And so, my audience, I have 3 ways that you can contribute to our environment without a lot of effort. So the first one is keeping the phrase reduce, reuse, recycle in mind. I'm sure most of you have heard of this phrase before, but why aren't we doing it, and why aren't we trying it if it's been emphasized and repeated so much already? And the second one is reducing the use of electricity in your house, even if it means turning off certain lights or turning off the AC for a couple hours. And the third one is using public transportation often, rather than personal vehicles such as cars and motorcycles, to reduce gas emissions into the air we breathe. I believe that we can make a change. I believe that if we take action and if we do something about our conditions, we can help our environment. Our future will have hope. We will have hope for our future, and something will change and something will happen for the better. Thanks for listening.